Welcome to Auto Trend, your destination for power, technology, and the future of air supremacy. On a vast Chinese airbase, three sleek silhouettes gleam beneath the bright morning sun. The J-20S, China's new generation stealth fighter. With its canards extended and cockpits open, this jet doesn't just represent raw power. It symbolizes a shift in modern air warfare. The J-20S is not a copy, it's evolution. A bold leap into the future of air dominance, and a direct challenge to the American F-22 Raptor. Developed by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, the J-20S takes the DNA of the original Mighty Dragon and enhances it with something never seen before on a fifth-generation stealth jet: a second seat. That second cockpit transforms everything. It allows for cooperative engagement, drone coordination, electronic warfare, and real-time tactical command, turning the J-20S from a solo hunter into a command aircraft capable of controlling the entire air battle. One pilot flies, the other commands the digital war zone. In the world of modern air combat, that's a game changer. Its design is pure stealth artistry. The J-20S's matte coating absorbs radar waves, while its sharp-edged fuselage and diamond-shaped air intake scatter radar signals into nothingness. Every panel, every curve is shaped to vanish from enemy sensors. Underneath that stealth skin, twin WS-15 engines roar with silent confidence, engines powerful enough to push the jet beyond Mach 2 while maintaining stealth, giving it the power to outclimb, outmaneuver, and outlast most of its Western rivals. But the J-20S isn't just muscle, it's intelligence. Inside that futuristic cockpit lies one of China's most advanced avionics systems ever built. The jet's radar suite can track multiple targets at extreme distances, while its data fusion algorithms combine information from satellites, drones, and friendly fighters into one unified display. The pilot sees the sky not as chaos, but as a digital map of precision, a level of situational awareness that gives the J-20S the ability to strike before being seen. In a stealth duel, that advantage could decide who lives and who falls. China's message through the J-20S is loud and clear. It's no longer just following, it's leading. This aircraft is not only a machine of war, but a symbol of national pride and technological maturity. From airframe design to electronic warfare systems, the J-20S reflects a new phase in China's defense evolution, one where innovation takes the front seat. The Mighty Dragon has learned to command the skies, not just defend them. As the world watches, the skies above the Pacific are transforming into a new arena of power. The J-20S is more than just a jet. It's a statement, a message written in stealth and speed. A message that the era of air dominance no longer belongs to one nation. The Dragon has awakened, and it's ready to challenge the Raptor.